Hey y'all, it's Stock Vibes. All right, today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explain it for the beginners that just got into Robinhood. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna explain to you like the whole process of like Robinhood. Um, so look, the first thing you want to do is when you get Robinhood, you gotta download it. You're gonna have to link all your information. It's probably gonna ask you like your social security number. It's not nothing fake. It's secured. So don't feel like you're gonna get your money taken. That's not the case. Everything's secured. If you look up like on the search bar, it's gonna have a lock, so that's gonna let you know that everything's good. So like with stock, a lot of people think that you gotta have a lot of money to make money. You really don't have to have a lot of money like that to make money. So what you want to do is you want to start at what's comfortable to you. So I mean, if it's $100, if it's $25, whatever you feel comfortable with, whenever you buy the stock. Right now, with the economy being down, it's a good time for you to buy stock. If you never bought stock before, I really just started messing with stock probably like 2 months ago. I started with like cryptocurrency. What that is, that's like Bitcoin. If you ever heard of that, it's currency. It's basically you are trading money. But with Robinhood, it's more of like the world stock. So I mean, you can buy stock in Disney, just about anything you do. I mean, if you like Starbucks, you can look into the stock for Starbucks. I mean, anything you search, you can basically find. So like right now with the economy being bad, with this COVID, is a perfect time for you to basically invest in something that you like, or you maybe like read about it. So like I said, I mean, look at this like as a savings account. What this does for you, it opens the door for you to make money. Say your job gets slow and you end up making a couple $100s off this. I mean, think about it. Take the stress off of you. So at the same time, you're educating yourself. So the process starts at like high start. What happens is a credit. So whenever you first buy something, you're gonna see it as a credit. But what's gonna happen in a couple of days, it's gonna come out your account. So with it being a credit, it's gonna let you buy the stock today, even though it didn't go out of your account yet. So it's gonna come out your account when it fully come out your account, but you're gonna already have the stock already. So you're not gonna get like extra charge or whatever. So after you buy your stock, you're gonna better see your stock. So at the bottom right here, this is just the top performers of the day. This is how you look at the stock. This is normally what I do. I go into this, I look at the top performers of the day. Normally if I'm at home and I'm not working, I'll go through these. What I like to do, I like to day trade. Day trading is basically whenever the stock is at a price and you sell it before the day. The stock hours are like 8:30 a.m. to like 3 o'clock in the day. So I mean, if you're gonna buy some stock, you might want to, maybe get up a little earlier to where you can kind of research it. But the order, whenever you put an order in, it won't go into like 8:30 anyway. So if you want to sell it, right here, it's the top movers, like the top stock like around the world. I normally look at this a lot. I mean, honestly, this is where I make the most money, because if I see something doing good, what I do is I'll definitely buy it. I'll buy it right then and there. As soon as I see it jump a few cents, I'll buy it. And normally whenever I do jump on it, it normally goes up a good bit, and I'll sell that the same day. That's why I call it a day trade. The thing about Robinhood, they only allow you to do 3 day trades in 5 days. So I mean, what that is, meaning if you buy, say I buy this stock right here at home, and it's right now it's $8.90, and it jumps up to like say it jumps up to like $20, and I make that profit, and I end up selling the whole thing of the stock. That's called 1 day trade. Robinhood only gives you 3. So when you do it the third time, when you do it the second time, it's going to give you it's going to say a reminder this is your second day trade. And then if you do it a third time, it's gonna say this is your third day trade. When you get to the fourth one, you can take the restrictions off. You can do the fourth one, but I don't recommend you do that, because once you do the fourth one, your account is basically going to be locked. And the only way you're going to be able to do any kind of day trade is if it's up, like it would have to be like $25,000 into that stock. So I don't recommend you do over the 3 day trades. I mean, it's just a way for them to kind of prevent you from making money. I mean, I normally do 3 day trades because I normally make the money, and it's just a restriction for them to stop you from making more money. So you kind of have to follow it, because if not, if you take those restrictions off to where you can do the 4 day trade, they're going to lock your account out and you're not going to have access to it. You're going to basically have to wait maybe like a couple weeks for you to even get back in your Robinhood. And that's not going to be good because you can't make money that way. So day trades are good. Sometimes it'll hurt you too, because if you on that third one and you buy something and you can't sell it and it's dropping and you're losing money, there's nothing you can do. So you gotta just kind of take your loss. So at the same time, day trading is good, but you gotta be quick on it. Like you gotta jump on it. You can't sit up there and wait. If you see stock going up, stop waiting on it and be like, oh man, stock's going up. Stop watching it. I mean, if you want to make the money, you're just gonna have to make that jump. Because if you don't make that jump, like I say, within a blank, the stock going up, you lost out on probably hundreds of dollars, you know. So you kind of got to have a quick instinct to jump on the stock, buy it, hurry and purchase it to where you have it. Because like I said, the stock moves all day. I mean, it doesn't wait on you. So that's normally the case with day trade. I mean, it's good and it's bad. So I mean, I do it because, like I said, whenever I do it, I make money off of it. But you have to be quick. So like I said, it's not gonna wait on you. The prices change all day. And like I said, another thing about it, like a lot of people, they scared to buy stock. I mean, don't look at it as like something to be scared of. Like you look at this like, all right, say for instance, I put $300 into stock, right? So my goal is gonna be get that $300 back, or whatever amount of money you put. You can put $25, whatever you put. Your goal is to get that money back. Okay. So say I started stock with $500. Okay. My goal was to get that $500 back. When I first started with stock, I ended up buying something. I might have it in my phone. I'm gonna show it on another video. The money I made off that stock. But what I did was I started off with $500 and I gained probably like $400 on like the first time I ever bought stock. I never knew nothing about it. I didn't research it. But I just came up with a system to where my job is to get my money back. So what I did was I did do is I just kept keeping it in my head to profit. And on that note, I'm gonna close. All I'm gonna say is thank y'all for subscribing.